And moving on to some more breaking news coming in, the Janata Dal United MPs led by their newly elected president, that is Rajiv Ranjan Singh, met the Home Minister Amit Shah today to demand a caste-based census. The party, an ally of the ruling BJP-led NDA alliance, had passed a resolution on the matter in its national executive meeting on Saturday. The party has also spoken against any coercive measures such as the enactment of laws to control the population growth. This is the latest coming in of how the Janata Dal United MPs, that is the JDU MPs, have led by the newly elected president, have met the Home Minister demanding a caste-based census soon in the state. Also, the party, an ally of the ruling BJP-led NDA alliance, had also passed a resolution on the matter in its national executive meeting on Saturday. And now the party has also spoken against any coercive measures such as the enactment of laws to control the population growth. Remember, the Yogi Adityanath-led government have strongly, in fact, commented on the entire issue as well. But before that, let me go across to my colleague Prakash Singh, who is closely tracking these developments. Yes, Prakash, over to you. Please share more on this.
Well, after Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar and Tejasvi Yadav met regarding the caste-based census demand, and in principle it was agreed that a letter would be sent to the Prime Minister as well as the meeting with the Prime Minister would be held. And Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has been demanding caste-based census since 2008. And today, in fact, JDU Parliamentary Party leader had first sought an appointment from the Prime Minister, and then he got an information that first you should meet the Home Minister. And today, in accordance with that, all the JDU MPs led by new JDU President Rajiv Ranjan Singh alias Lalan Singh met the Union Home Minister and put up their demand of caste-based census to be reinforced as soon as possible, because the caste-based census being demanded by the socialist leaders is more of a political agenda rather than anything, because they want to revisit Mandal Part 2, and the policy is regarding reservation policy as well, because they want to know the data as far as the number of population of the backward caste, and that is why they want to revisit the various programs and policies for the backward communities. And in principle they agree that the majority of the population belongs to the backward caste, and that is why they are forcing on the caste-based census, and their voter constituents are primarily from the extremely backward caste, the Dalits, and that is why they want to have the exact number. Meanwhile, BJP leader and Union Minister of State for Home Nityanand Rai has categorically said in the Parliament that we are not going to have a caste-based census for now. And there lies the conflict, because the JDU, being a part of the NDA government, and is an ally as well of the NDA, right, and there can be a conflict because they are demanding the caste-based census. Back to you.
All right, thank you so much, Prakash, for getting us that update. And interestingly, both we have seen Nitish Kumar and Tejasvi Yadav being on the same page as far as caste-based census is concerned.